Supreme Court has extended time till the 31st of August 2020, that is this year, to complete the trial in the 1992 Babri Masjid demolition case. The Supreme Court, this is the criminal matter, the criminal proceeding, which, by the way, could have continued in the November, this was mentioned in the November 2019 judgment as well of the Supreme Court. The CBI Special Court, and this is what the SC said, the CBI Special Court at Lucknow is expected to complete trial by August end and deliver the verdict. Arunachalam Vaidyanathan now joins us on the phone line. Vaidya, it was very clear in November 2019 when the historic Ram Temple verdict was delivered by the Supreme Court that the criminal case will continue. Now there's an extension.
You see, this is, of course, the judgment has said that, but this is a completely different issue. See, there were two cases. One is the Raebareli court and the Lucknow court. Both cases were going on. It was getting delayed for so many years. So finally, Supreme Court in 2017 said both cases should be clubbed together, and only one court at Lucknow, the CBI Special Court, will hear this case. So at the time, the court in 2017 gave 2 years a deadline to complete the trial. So it could not be completed. So last year again, it was 9 months extension was given. But in May, recently, the CBI judge has written to the Supreme Court citing lockdown issue, saying that he could not complete, he should be given more time. So finally, today, delivering the order, the Supreme Court said the CBI court should use the video conferencing facilities and complete the trial by 31st of August, and also said that there should not be any breach of this deadline. So now the CBI court is left with no reason to complete the trial and deliver the verdict before 31st of August.
Now, Vaidya, just for perspective, we know that the main Ram Temple title suit matter is over. A verdict has been delivered in November 2019. What all are the other cases, like for instance this one, and what are the other cases that are still in courts?
You see, Ram Temple is basically title issue, you are right, that has been decided. But this issue basically, the conspiracy as well as the charges against BJP leaders, right from L.K. Advani, Uma Bharti, Murli Manohar Joshi, and another host of RSS leaders. So there were two cases, now both are clubbed together, and these leaders, right from Mr. Advani, are facing the trial. So these two criminal cases now will have to be completed, and the judgment should be delivered by the end of August. This is a different case compared with the title suit.